Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a look at super cool gadgets that's perfect for everyone who wants to expand the capabilities of their USB-C devices. It is Glassology Steve Series 8-in-1 USB-C hub connector, which is 8-in-1 adapter Type-C multi-functional dock station. Let's check out the packaging. It's sleek and stylish with a clear labeling that highlights the key features of the hub. I really like the packaging that gives you a good idea of what you are getting before I open it by seeing the labeling packaging. I can't wait anymore. Let's open it. And here it is. And here it is. The Glossary Steels Series 8-in-1 USB-C hub connector is surprisingly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for taking on the go. It's got a premium alloy construction that feels solid and durable, and I love the sleek, minimalistic design. Alright, let's start ports. This hub has a total of 8 ports, giving us a ton of flexibility. On one side, we have HDMI port that supports up to 4K video output, perfect for connecting our devices to an external monitor or projector. Next to that, we have a USB EA Type 3.0 port for connecting traditional USB devices like flash drives or external hard drives. Super handy for transforming files. Flipping the hub over, we have got a two USB-C type ports, one of which supports a power delivery up to 100 watts. So we can keep our device charged while using the hub. There is also an SD card reader and micro SD card reader, making it easy to access files from our memory cards directly. And last but not least, we also have gigabit Ethernet port for a wide internet connection, which is always a plus for us. Once again, we can see the 8 ports here. I have already connected to MacBook and it shows up. It's working fine. No issues with the product. I have also got micro SD card with adapter. It's from SanDisk. Let's open it. It's very nice packaging. Let's open it. We have an adapter and micro SD card. The transferring speed of these micro card is like 100 Mbps and 40 Mbps. Let's try this micro SD card with our 8-in-1 adapter. I hope it will work. Yeah, it's working with adapter also. I have tried with the SD card and micro SD card. With the both it works. No problem in the MacBook Pro. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing video. This is my first product unboxing video from my side, as well as my first YouTube video also. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel, share and like.